All right, so let me explain exactly what's going on. We're actually here at the 2019 Margarita Meltdown. The organizers saw my video I did last year. I was just vlogging it, and they were like, dude, you gotta shoot the promo video for us this year. And I'm like, I mean, if you really want me to, I got you. Let me go somewhere a little bit quiet. I can't hear you. So I'm gonna go actually outside the venue where it's a little quieter, because right now, I can't talk at all. So without further ado, you don't want to listen to me talk to you any longer. So let me show you guys the Margarita Meltdown 2019.
Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete.
The Margarita Meltdown is freaking amazing, making margaritas great again.
De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami.
The reason the Margarita Meltdown was created was to give back to our guests, our customers. The reason we created a competition was because we wanted our customers to come out and vote for the best margarita in Dallas.
The highlight of the Margarita Meltdown would probably be the Opa booth right behind me. Unofficially the best margarita at the Margarita Meltdown, Opa Greek Tavern. We killed it serving a Greek mountain basil margarita.
Todas esas poses que tú conoces gracias a mi mujer. Ni tu amigo, pero en vivo solo contigo disfruto el show, bebé. Alright, cita, dime pa' dónde vas, que yo te caigo donde sea. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies.
Are you ready for the winner of the Dallas Margarita Meltdown?
So they're about to announce the winner. I think Opa Greek Taverna won the event. For sure, top two. Opa Greek Taverna won, right?
Yes. The winner of the 9th annual Dallas Margarita Meltdown is Beto and Son. I want to thank everybody for voting for us. Really appreciate you guys. We love you so much. Thank you, Sophia. She won it last year, so I recruited her, and she won it again for us this year. So shout out to Sophia right here. She's the Margarita Queen.